Buddy, we are test driving Peugeot Boxer 2017, which came in with DPF issues, power loss, high fuel consumption, limp mode, and the problem has been solved. What can you say about your van? How was it and how is it driving now? We had a long test run.
Well, when I brought it in, it was just awful. First few weeks beforehand, the DPF light was on. It said it was cleaning and regenerating. It never did. It was sluggish, it was lumpy, it was just heavy to drive. I brought it in to see Errol. Errol looked at it, he put it on his map and he told me exactly what was wrong with it, and the DPF needed cleaning. And I can say, Errol, you've done a fantastic job. It's like a spring chicken now. It drives really, really well, and I'm really pleased with it. Thanks very much, Errol.
Can you see if there's any white or black smoke?
No, I've just taken it down the M25. Coming down, driving into Bromley on high speed, no smoke, low speed, chugging through. I've gone right through the gearbox at low speed. I'm looking out now, I can't see any smoke. Yeah, it looks good.
Are you happy, sir?
I'm happy.
Okay, thank you very much. This was a short and sharp positive feedback for us. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. We are specialized on DPF. DPF is what we know. You can contact us for DPF EGR turbo issues on cars, light commercials or trucks. Our telephone number is 07533 636 194. Thanks for watching.